Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the mesh. Make sure you have one subtool and a clean centerline. First, use Tool Deformation Unify to center and normalize scale so mirror operations align. Once centered, go to Tool Geometry Modify Topology and run Mirror and Weld on the x-axis. This is the only way to copy one side perfectly across the center. Make sure your intended positive side contains the sculpt detail you want preserved. Once the mesh is mirrored, activate Transform Activate Symmetry and press X to lock symmetrical strokes across the axis. You sculpt both sides simultaneously. If your focal point moved, enable Local Symmetry so Zbrush uses Object Local Center rather than World Origin. For topology-heavy edits, use Dina Mesh or Sculptress Pro with Symmetry active to keep consistent topology while you shape. Remember that Symmetry affects brushes and masking. Make sure masks are mirrored or to finish, run Mirror and Weld one more time to ensure both sides match exactly. This bakes any asymmetrical edits into a symmetrical mesh. If you see misalignment, make sure the model is centered with Unify, confirm the correct axis, then reapply Mirror and Weld. If normals or orientation look wrong, flip normals or duplicate and mirror the correct side, then use Project to transfer fine detail. Troubleshooting tip: if Mirror and Weld fails, check subtool count.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.